This video will demonstrate how to find the working directory in Python and how to change the current working directory, and also work with a text file just to add something relevant in the text file and view the same. So let's start with Python. So here we have to give the command. So we are importing a operating system module, and from the module we find the function get current working directory. So it gives us a location in the machine, which is not very easy to navigate. So we have decided to change the working directory. So we have already created a folder out here. You can see that in C drive, I have created UI01. So I'll try to make this folder as the working directory, and whatever I create will be created in this folder. So we have to change the working directory. So you can write os dot change current working directory, and here we write down the path. Starts with a raw string c colon backslash, and we'll see that get that specific directory. So the directory, now if I give this command operating system os dot get current working directory, it will tell me that the working directory has changed. So at this point, let us try to open a file. File equals to open, and let us give a name to the file. Suppose if I write zzz.txt, and suppose if I write down in w mode, write mode, also let us write down in x. Now if I open the folder, I will see that this file is just created. It will show me 0 kilobytes. So I can use write function. I can call the write function. You can write one single line, hello, how are you? Just keep it simple. And then if I close it, okay, at this point also, if I show you the folder, it is still showing me 0 kilobytes. So I'll show you something interesting. If I just float this thing on the top, it will become evident. Okay, we are going to just focus on this particular bytes. Okay, so I'll be writing file. I just close this file. I'll write close. And just observe this size. The moment I hit close, it will change from 0 kilobyte to say 1 kilobyte. So here the changes happen. Now if I just open it now, I will see that hello, how are you is here. Now we have also noticed that it is showing here 19. So 19 is actually the position of the file pointer. So I can actually find that one by giving this command file dot settle. Okay, because I have closed that file. So the tell file pointer, that function is not working. So let me open the file again. Now I'll be opening this file, say in read mode, or the file is open. Now once the file is open, the file pointer will be in the beginning of the file. So you see it's in the beginning of the file. Now if I issue the read command, file.read, so it is telling me hello, how are you. Now if I give file.tell, it is actually at the end of the file. So now if I again try to read, it will not display anything because there is nothing to be displayed now. It has come to the end of the file. So if I move a little bit to the left, then I'll be able to display something. Suppose I'm here, so if I go 1, 2, 3, 4 bytes at the 4 bytes, or suppose from the beginning, if I go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 bytes. Say. So if I write down this thing, file dot seq. So this seq function, okay, it actually changes the position. So suppose if I write 5. So now if I write tail also, it will tell me 5. Now if I read, it will read the remaining words, remaining letters after that particular position. So you can see that it is just pointing from comma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you can see. So it was pointing here, and so after that it is displaying everything. So now we know now that if I write 6 and 7, if I just display 7, if I use file.67, then it will display only how I do. Let's try that thing. File.read. It's telling on how I use. So with the help of this seq and tell, we can actually move from one position to another position in the file. So this demonstrates, this is a small demonstration how. So now we are closing this file. This is a small demonstration how we can actually create a file in a working directory, that the new working directory that we have created. We can also do one thing, that instead of writing this one line, we can add one more line also. So it can be done by opening the file in append mode. So this is the A mode actually. So now if I write down if I write down this line, hi, there you are. Okay, now let us close the file again and let us open it. So you can see that it is just displayed after this line, hello, how are you, and hi, there you are. Okay, now we can actually display it in a different line also. I will have to just I'll have to write down in this way. So I will open it again in write mode. So I'm just opening the file again in append mode, and here suppose if I write down a new line character, so it will be added in a new line. So now I'm closing it, and I'll open this one again, and I'll show you. So we can see that it is there in the next line. So this is the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed it and you will try this thing.